I wonder if this is going to be an interesting class.
Yeah, me too. So, what's your major?
Well, I've been batting around the idea of going into business, but I haven't decided yet, and my dad keeps telling me I have to choose a major, but I'm undeclared at the moment.
Ah, that's what happened to me my freshman year.
Oh, so what year are you in school?
I'm a senior, and I only have to take 10 more credits to graduate.
Well, that must feel great to be almost finished with school.
You can say that again. But once I graduate, I have to start repaying a student loan.
Ooh.
So I'm not looking forward to that.
But didn't your parents help you out with your college tuition?
No. My dad said he wasn't made of money, so he thought I should earn my own education. So I worked like crazy in the summer and part-time during the school year to cover my costs.
Well, that's parents for you.
And I received some financial aid and a scholarship one year, which really saved me.
Oh, that's nice.
But this past year, school has been more demanding, so I haven't been able to work as much.
Well, at least you can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
That's true.
Well, have you lined up a job yet?
Not yet, but I'm trying to line up a few interviews at the job fair next month.
Well, at least you have some ideas on your future. I'm taking a business class right now, and the teacher always lectures us by saying that life is difficult, and we should prepare for our futures by setting realistic goals, and the only place that success comes before...
Work is in the dictionary.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard all that before. Let me guess, is your teacher Paul Jones?
Yeah. How do you know him? Did you have him too? The guy is, he's just real.
He's my dad. Yep.
Your dad? I didn't mean anything by what I said. I wasn't bad-mouthing him or anything. He's a good teacher and all. It's just that...
Hey, he's a dad. That's what dads do.
Well,
lecture. He has about 1,000 sermons on life, and he always shares them in his classes.
Yeah. Well, nice talking to you. I have to go.
Same here. Bye. I'll tell Mr. Jones you said hello, and maybe we could study together at my house?
No.